Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Anjay Lakshminaswamy. Today, interesting remedy is Berberis vulgaris, single rubrics part 1. Today, I will explain about Berberis vulgaris single rubrics in Synthesis Treasury edition 2009 to version repertory. Part 1 from Mind to Cough rubrics are present in this video. Every single rubric is important in daily practice. How every rubric is useful to know, to watch all rubrics, to understand when to use this knowledge of Berberis vulgaris remedy. In part 1, you will see all rubrics. Okay. This is Berberis vulgaris. Hello friends, I am Dr. Nasmuswamy. Today I will discuss about another interesting remedy in our daily practice. What a very important remedy. It can contain so many features. The remedy is Berberis vulgaris. The Berberis vulgaris contains in Synthesis Treasury edition 2009 version 324 rubrics. In Berberis vulgaris, every rubric is very important in our daily practice. How I know it can be have so many features. The first section, this video I will explain in two sections, part 1, part 2, because one part is 2 hours or 1.5 hour is present. I can explain or reads every rubric in Treasury edition 2009. Please follow and subscribe my channel to increase your knowledge and our knowledge in every time. Mind section of the Berberis vulgaris. Mind, ambition, increased social position. Increased social position, ambition is increased. Social position increased, ambition increased. In Berberis patients. Mind, anxiety. Before sleep, evening. Anxiety is present in evening before sleep in Berberis. Mind, death desires during menses in Berberis patients. Mind, delusions, abused being. Her mother is abused, is present, that is Berberis patient. Mind, delusions, dirty. Sexuality is dirty, is the sensation in Berberis patients. Mind, delusions, dirty. Sexuality is dirty since delivery in Berberis patients. Mind, delusions, dirty. Sexuality is dirty during menses in Berberis patients. Mind, delusions, dirty. Sexuality is dirty since being a mother in Berberis patient. Mind, delusions, dirty. Sexuality is dirty since pregnancy in Berberis patients. Mind, delusions. Persons are enlarged in twilight in this sensation is present in berberis. Mind delusions fantasies are forced upon him a multitude of when dodging is present. Think berberis. Mind delusions images phantoms sees twilight in berberis patients. Mind delusions injury about to receive injury is as a woman about to receive injury is it is present in berberis patients. Mind delusions mother is a or. This sensation is present in berberis patients. Delusions spectators ghost spirits in twilight is sees in berberis. Mind delusions tall things grow taller, pulse is throbbing as the and diminished and pulse is throbbing as the things grow taller is present this sensation in berberis patients. Mind delusions visions has horrible in twilight in children in think berberis. Mind depreciation feeling. Mind depreciation feeling is present in berberis patients. Mind disgust being a woman. This feeling is present in only berberis patients. Women's mind annoy during menses. In berberis, mind fear afternoon 16 hours until going to sleep is present in berberis. Mind insecurity, mental insecurity as a woman. Think berberis is the berberis patient. The woman thinks insecurity, mental insecurity is a woman as a woman. Mind mental exertion aggravation by least in interruption impossible. Think berberis. Mind weary of life menses before. Think berberis. Mind weary of life menses during. Think berberis. These are the mind symptoms of the berberis vulgaris. Now, the head symptoms of the berberis. Head, heat, temples with cold cheeks is present in berberis patients. Head pain accompanied by acute coldness in occiput is present in berberis patients. Head pain menses after aggravation shooting pain is present in berberis. Head pain menses after aggravation tearing pain is present. Think berberis. Head pain pressing pain as from a cough cap, a tight cap. Think berberis. Head pain forehead extending to neck tearing pain is present in berberis patients. Head pain temples stitching pain paroxysmal is present in berberis. Head shaking sensation stooping aggravation. Think berberis. Head twitching forehead stooping aggravation. Think berberis. Now the eye symptoms of the berberis. Eye coldness lids between lids and eyeballs as if there were drops of cold water. is present the sensation in berberis patients. Eye coldness leads between margins of the lids, drops of cold water as if there were is present. Think berberis. Same symptom. Okay. Eyes discharges frothy lids. Think berberis. Eyes clearing lids reading by candlelight. Think berberis. Eye twitching lids reading by lamplight. Think berberis. Vision symptom only one is present. Vision large object seems large in the twilight. Is present this sensation. Think berberis is useful. Ear nodes external on ears. Arthritic or gouty nodocytes accompanied by tearing pain. Think berberis. Ear pain afternoon 17 hours stitching pain is present. Think berberis. Ear pain, drawing pain downward is present in berberis. Ear pain, nail were thrust as if nail were thrust through is present. Think berberis. Ear pain, stitching pain as from stings of insects. Think berberis. No symptoms of the berberis vulgaris single rubrics. Every single rubric is very important. Why? You can see nose coryza, chronic left, is present in berberis patients. Nose discharge, offensive bond, is present in berberis. Nose discharge, offensive and pungent, is present. Think berberis. Nose pain, tip, gnawing pain is present. Think berberis. Face symptoms of the berberis. Face coldness drops. Face coldness drops were sprouting in face when going into open air. Sensation as if drops were sprouting in face when going into open air. Think berberis. Face coldness extending to back is present in berberis patients. Face discoloration yellow accompanied by watery stool is present in berberis patients. Mouth symptoms of the berberis. Mouth discoloration, gums red and dirty. Think berberis. Mouth eruptions, pimples, cheeks, inner and lips and inner cheeks inner is present. Think berberis. Mouth eruptions, pimples, cheeks, inner and lips red and painful is present in berberis patients. Mouth sticky, viscid, eating amelioration. Think berberis. Mouth taste, burnt morning is present. Think berberis. Teeth symptoms of the berberis. Teeth pain, drying pain, bubbling. Think berberis. External throat pain, sides, rheumatic, tearing pain. Think berberis. External throat pain, sides extending to arms. Think berberis. External throat pain, sides extending to arms. Stitching pain is present in berberis patients. External throat pain, sides extending to occiput is present. Think berberis. External throat pain, sides extending to occiput, tearing pain is present in berberis patients. Stomach symptoms of the berberis. Stomach complaints. Complaints of the stomach extending to backward or reverse is present in berberis. Stomach loathing of food alternating with hunger is present in only Berberis patients. Stomach pain, epigastrium bursting pain is present in Berberis. Abdomen symptoms of the Berberis. Abdomen coldness, inguinal region becoming burning is present. Think Berberis. Abdomen discoloration, yellow spots, old spots around navel peeling off. Think Berberis. Abdomen iliac region, complaints of iliac region extending to thighs down is present in Berberis. Abdomen, liver and the region of liver, complaints of region of liver accompanied by kidney, complaints of kidneys is present, then think only the Berberis is the remedy. Abdomen pain, iliac region morning stitching pain is present in Berberis. Abdomen pain, ilium, crest of ilium, tearing pain upward is present. Think Berberis. Abdomen pain, ilium, crest of ilium extending to gluteal muscles. Think Berberis. Abdomen pain, ilium, crest of ilium extending to gluteal muscles. Stitching pain is present in Berberis. Abdomen pain, ilium, crest of ilium extending to gluteal muscles. Tearing pain is present. Think Berberis. Abdomen pain, ilium, crest of ilium extending to thigh, front of thigh when urinating is present. Think Berberis. Abdomen pain, liver, lancinating pain is present. Think Berberis is useful. Abdomen pain, liver extending to every direction is present in Berberis patients only. Abdomen urination during aggravation, iliac region. Think Berberis. Abdomen veins distended, inguinal region. Think Berberis. Rectum symptoms of the Berberis. Rectum fistula itching is present in Berberis. Rectum hemorrhoids accompanied by tongue, mucus on tongue, collection of mucus of the tongue. Rectum pain, perineum extending to uterus is present. Think Berberis. Rectum pain, perineum extending to uterus, stitching pain is present. Think Berberis. Rectum urging stool after aggravation for a long time, urging to stool after aggravation. Think Berberis. Bladder symptoms of the Berberis. Bladder movements brings up urinary troubles. Think Berberis. Bladder pain, urination during amelioration. Think Berberis. Bladder pain extending to urethra, cutting pain is present in Berberis patients. Bladder pain, neck of bladder, smarting is present in Berberis vulgaris. Bladder urination, urging to urinate, frequent, the slightest motion aggravation. Think Berberis. Bladder urination, urging to urinate, violent urination aggravation, after urination aggravation. Think Berberis. Kidney symptoms of the Berberis. Kidneys congestion accompanied by liver congestion is present in Berberis patients only. Kidneys lying aggravation. Think Berberis. Kidneys pain morning rising after rising aggravation. Think Berberis. Kidneys pain morning after rising aggravation. Tearing pain is present in Berberis patients. Kidneys pain morning cramping, tenesmus is present in Berberis. Kidneys pain, cutting pain downward is present, think berberis. Kidneys pain, cutting pain outward is present in berberis patients. Kidneys pain as from a nail is present, think berberis. Kidneys pain, standing amelioration in berberis patients. Kidneys pain, standing amelioration, stitching pain, standing amelioration, think berberis. Kidneys pain, standing amelioration, tearing pain, amelioration, think berberis. Kidneys pain, stitching pain, radiating is present, think berberis. Kidneys pain, tearing pain, pulsating pain is present, think berberis. Kidneys pain, extending to thighs, sore is present, think berberis. Kidneys pain, extending to thighs with stiffness is present in berberis patients. Kidneys pain, extending to thighs with stiffness, tearing pain is present in berberis patients. Kidneys pain, reason of pressure aggravation, think berberis. Kidneys pain, reason of pressure aggravation, digging pain is present in berberis patients only. Kidneys pain, reason of extending to calves is present in berberis patients. Kidneys pain, uterus extending to spermatic cords, think berberis. Kidneys pain, ureters extending to thighs, think berberis. Kidneys standing amelioration in berberis patients. Kidneys stiffness, think berberis. Kidneys stooping aggravation, think berberis. Prostate gland, one symptom is present, that is prostate gland swelling accompanied by pressure in perineum is present in berberis patient. This symptom is advanced in perineum. Prostate gland is present, that is advanced case, but we can relieve. Urethra symptoms of the berberis vulgaris. Urethra constriction convulsive is present, think berberis. Urethra constriction smarting, think berberis. Urethra discharge, urination before, think berberis. Urethra pain, menopause, think berberis. Urethra pain, menopause, burning pain is present in berberis patients. Urethra pain, menopause during, think berberis. Urethra pain extending to bladder is present, think berberis. Urethra pain extending to bladder, stitching pain, think berberis. Urethra pain, meatus, burning most violent, think berberis. Urethra pain, meatus in women, tearing pain is present, think berberis. Urine odor, coffee is present in berberis patient only. Urinary organs motion aggravation, think berberis. Male genital and sex symptoms of the berberis. Male genital and sex, bending upward penis, think berberis. Male genital and sex, indecision penis in old people and old people in old men, think berberis is useful. Male genital and sex, numbness penis glands and profuse, think berberis. Male genital and sex, pain penis motion aggravation, think berberis. Male genital and sex, pain spermatic cords left burning is present, think berberis. Male genital and sex, pain spermatic cords left, stinging and standing is present. Think berberis. Male genital and sex, pain and spermatic cords, stinging, aggravation. Think berberis. Male genital and sex, pain, spermatic cords, sitting, aggravation, drawing pain is present. Think berberis. Male genital and sex, pain, spermatic cords, walking, aggravation, burning pain is present. Think berberis. Male genital and sex, walking, aggravation, tearing pain is present. Think berberis. Male genital and sex, pain, testes, extending to downward is present in berberis. Male genital and sex, pain, swelling, spermatic cords, walking, aggravation. Think berberis. Male genital and sex, weakness, urination, aggravation after, as if he would have an emission. After urination, aggravation. Think berberis. Female symptoms of the berberis. Female symptoms of the berberis is 1. Female genital and sex, discoloration, red vagina, red end, accompanied by uterine sunken is present in berberis. Female genital and sex, itching, lying, amelioration. Think berberis. Female genital and sex, pain, lying, amelioration. Think berberis. Female genital and sex, pain, lying, amelioration, burning pain, lying, amelioration. Think berberis. Female genital and sex, pain, meatus, reason of meatus. Think berberis. Female genital and sex, meatus, reason of meatus, tearing pain is present in berberis. Female genital and sex, pain in vagina during coition, stitching pain is present. Think berberis. Female genital and sex, pain, vagina, menses during aggravation, rasping. Think berberis. Female genital and sex, vagina, means stitching pain outward is present in berberis. Female genital and sex, pain in vagina, walking, aggravation, lancinating pain is present. Think berberis. Female genital and sex, pain, vagina, extending to meatus of urethra is present in berberis. Female genital and sex, pain, vulva, bursting is present in berberis. Female genital and sex, subinvolution, sunken uterus, vagina, red end is present in berberis. Respiration symptoms, only one is present, that is respiration impeded, obstructed, rising arm, aggravation. This symptom is present in any patient. Think berberis is the remedy. Cough symptoms, that is also only if one is present. Cough alternating with hemorrhoids is present in think berberis is useful. Next video I will explain cyst symptoms to generals, all the single rubrics. This is the first video of part 1. Next video I will explain another interesting rubrics of every time. It is very useful in our daily practice to see all the rubrics, to understand and apply. You can see the results in your daily practice. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share my videos and share the knowledge. Okay, thank you.